Hello everyone, welcome to this in-depth look at the UK's new tobacco and vapes bill. This legislation is set to change how the country approaches smoking and vaping, particularly among young people. As of now, the UK government has introduced major restrictions that could eventually phase out smoking altogether for future generations. This is a big step toward making the UK a smoke-free society, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about it. Let's get started with a look at what's in this bill, why it's being implemented, and how it could impact both current smokers and future generations. The Tobacco and Vapes Bill is a new law introduced in the UK with a bold vision: create a generation that doesn't smoke. Originally proposed by former Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, the bill has since been taken up and championed by the current Labour government under Prime Minister Keir Starmer. This bill targets both tobacco and vaping products, proposing new restrictions aimed at reducing nicotine addiction, promoting public health, and even tackling environmental concerns linked to disposable vape devices. The main goal here is to lower the number of smokers and prevent young people from starting. To accomplish this, the bill puts forward a lifetime ban on tobacco sales to anyone born after 2009, along with restrictions on vaping advertisements and a planned phase-out of disposable vapes. The most unique part of this bill is its approach to phasing out tobacco through a generational ban. Starting with those born after January 1, 2009, this legislation would make it illegal for anyone to purchase tobacco products, even once they turn 18. This means that a 14-year-old today will never be able to legally buy tobacco products, even after they're legally adults. The goal is to create what health officials are calling a smoke-free generation, a strategy inspired by a similar policy implemented in New Zealand. Rather than banning smoking altogether, which could lead to a sudden backlash, the UK government aims to gradually eliminate tobacco use by preventing young people from starting in the first place. It's a phased approach that may take years to show results, but it has the potential to drastically reduce smoking rates over time. In addition to the generational ban, the Tobacco and Vapes Bill also expands smoking restrictions in certain public areas. While smoking indoors has been banned in places like workplaces and public transport since 2007, this new legislation extends these restrictions to include certain outdoor spaces. Under the bill, smoking will now be prohibited in children's playgrounds, school campuses, and hospital grounds. The motivation here is to limit secondhand smoke exposure in environments frequented by children and young people. However, the government decided to exclude pub beer gardens from these new restrictions. After discussions with business leaders and public feedback, the government removed the ban from outdoor pub areas to protect the hospitality industry from any potential financial impact. By making this concession, the bill aims to find a middle ground between protecting public health and supporting businesses. Another key focus of the bill is addressing the rise of vaping among young people. Over recent years, the UK has seen a surge in vaping rates, particularly among teenagers and young adults. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.